you're looking to sell your home, you'll soon find out that you have a ton of homework, I like to call it, and necessary paperwork that you have to get together to be able to hand over to a buyer. One of the biggest issues we're facing right now is what's called a fixture lease. And if you don't have all the necessary paperwork together in the beginning, it could end up costing you thousands of dollars and possibly even the contract. Hi, my name is Candace Lubajowski with eXp Realty, and today we're going to talk about fixture leases, what they are, do you have one, and what you need to do before you put your home up for the market if you have a fixture lease. A fixture is an improvement that's done to the property that makes it permanent, and because it's permanent, you can't pack it up and take it along with you, so it has to convey with the sale of your home. A fixture lease is an agreement that you have between a third-party company and they have installed whatever that fixture is that's a permanent attachment to the home. The most common types of fixture leases are solar panels, security systems, water softeners, and propane tanks, just to name a few. So the first thing you're going to want to do is find the contract you have with a third-party company and review it. And even better yet, take that contract to an attorney's office and have them review it for you, especially if you have solar panels, which are highly complicated. Now, some contracts will require the seller to pay for the remainder owed of the lease from the proceeds of the sale of their home, and some contracts will actually transfer full ownership over to the buyer. So you want to be sure that you have this ironed out before you decide to put your home up for sale. You can see how that can kind of snag the contract a little bit. My name is Candace Lubajowski with eXp Realty, and if you like this video, be sure you follow along on my Facebook page and YouTube page for more tips like these that can save you thousands of dollars and definitely headaches along the way.